Swagbucks, is it legit or fake? In this video, I'm gonna give you my honest opinion about Swagbucks, if you can make money here on this website. But first of all, if you want to get my #1 recommendation to make money from home, click the link down below in the description of the CQ video. I will send you my #1 recommendation to make money from home. Let's talk about Swagbucks. So Swagbucks, this is a website that allows, actually this is legit, guys. Okay, this app is not a fake, it's legit. But I want to talk about how much you can make here on Swagbucks, So Swagbucks, you can also do surveys, you can also play games, okay? You're gonna get points, you're gonna get SB points. You can also do some cashback. What I like to do using Swagbucks is cashbacks, guys, okay? I like to use this website for doing some cashbacks on Amazon, on eBay, because I like to shop online, so I use cashbacks. I'm going to talk about all of those things. So here on Swagbucks, you can also play these games. You're going to earn this up to 2,800 SP points. So these are the points that you'll be earning. You're not going to earn money, you're going to earn points. So when you have 10,000 points, 100,000 points, you can convert these points into PayPal or into Amazon gift card, okay? Whatever way that you want to get paid here on Swagbucks, you can also choose those things, guys, okay? Or this is legit, guys. You can also earn some extra income, but it's gonna take too long to end up to 100,000 points, 1 million points, guys, okay? So in order to earn $50, you need to earn 1 million points SB, okay? So it is insane high, guys. Okay, you need to invest a lot of time here, a lot of efforts, and also it can take up to 2 years, guys, to earn $100. So that's the truth. That's the reality. That's the reality. And you have to invest. You have to do some surveys, and also if let's say you're not in the USA, you're not gonna get as many surveys as possible. So you're gonna spend maybe 1 hour doing surveys, and they say that, okay, you failed the surveys, keep trying again. You're gonna spend more time actually here in order to see results, guys, okay? So I'm just being transparent with you. I'm just being honest so that you know what you can expect here. You can also play these slots here, this slots machine. They claim that you're gonna earn 800 SP points. That's what they are saying. So what I like to do, guys, is to earn and shop. So whenever you are shopping here, you can earn up to 4% cashback. If let's say that you are buying on Walmart, you can earn 2% cashback. The minimum investment that you have to buy here is $1, guys, okay? On Walmart, you're gonna earn. On eBay, you're gonna earn 1%. On Best Buy, you're gonna earn 2% cashback. On Amazon, you're gonna earn up to 4% cashback. You have to buy something that is above $1. That's how I use the app, actually, guys. Not to make money, but to get cashback, because I love to shop things online, guys. So that's how I use the app, guys, okay? So I'm just being transparent with you. I don't use the app to make money because it's gonna take too long. You're gonna earn cents, you're not gonna earn income changing life here, guys, okay? So I'm just being transparent with you. For you guys, if you are shopping online, so this is a good way to get some cash back on your money, guys. You can buy on Nike, you can buy some clothes on Nike, some shoes. You're gonna get up to 6% cash back whenever you buy something on Nike on using Swagbucks, guys, okay? If let's say that you are using Temu, or AliExpress, or you are buying Samsung on Samsung, you're gonna earn up to 4% cashback. Or Choice Hotels, you're gonna book some hotels, you're gonna earn up to 4% cashback on your money, okay? So yeah, this app, guys, it is legit, guys. It is legit, guys. I highly recommend it for someone that they want to get some cashback, not for someone that they want to make money on the app, guys. I'm just being transparent with you, guys, okay? But first of all, if you want to get my #1 recommendation to make money from home, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send you my #1 recommendation to make money from home. The course that helped me to quit my 9-to-5 job, the course that helped me to have financial freedom, guys. I'm gonna send it to you into your email inbox. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections. I'm gonna get back to you as soon as I can, guys. Take care, and may God bless you. Good luck. Sharp.